back. It's been a minute since the January ended. I can't believe it's almost the end. We're getting toward the last third of February here.
Whoa.
Did we take that much time off?
We needed it.
I'm sorry, but we definitely needed it. So we have a product review for you today. Totally not spawn. I went to the store and plunked down my hard-earned money to get this all on our own. This is the Just Egg. I've been seeing a lot of news about this, and it's not even available everywhere yet. If you go on the website, you can request for it to be in a store by you.
Where'd you get it?
I got it at our health food store, Nature's Pantry, and I thought it was a pretty good price. I thought we paid $5 and change for this. I've seen other people pay almost $8 for this. So it's not an everyday thing unless you're rich. But if you're having a brunch or something like that and you want to have scrambled eggs, or if it's somebody's birthday, that's so sad. It's like, oh, it's someone's birthday. Let's have some fake egg. But
can you bake with that too?
I don't think so.
It's more of like a eggs dish.
And cooked egg on the stove.
Got it, got it.
So I shook it like crazy. We're gonna make it now. I'm gonna heat up my pan here because everybody knows if you want your eggs to come out good, you gotta make sure your pan is red hot before you put the eggs in there. Although I don't know if egg rules apply to this, because like you want that pan hot when you put real eggs in, because then it puffs up and makes it fluffy. This just might make it burn. So
we're gonna find out.
I don't know, but you'll find out when we do. So let's open this. It is very liquidy. It is not like a scrambled egg at all. It's like you could drink it. It's so liquidy. I don't think I'd pay somebody like to drink that.
That would be weird.
I know.
Total Gaston move.
Alright, so we're gonna do it like real eggs. We're gonna put a little bit of earth balance in there. Can I do this with this spatula? I hope so. Not too much. Although this is a super non-stick pan, it should be fine. It kind of helps you a little bit too to find out when the pan is ready. And that
Don't be flinging that hot butter around.
I'm just trying to get it off the thing. Alright, we're just going to do enough for like an Egg McMuffin size sandwich. So, since it's so liquidy, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to just cover the bottom of the pan and then mound it up into like a pile of eggs.
Whoa.
Right? I think that's a pretty good amount. We'll see.
You gotta let it sit for a second.
Yeah, I think you should let it sit and then move it around maybe. Because you could see it's pretty liquidy. Sean's just ending his show. He's coming in.
Hello.
Alright. Sean's a big fan of Shari Lewis.
Yes, he is.
Alright, so I think we probably need to turn this down.
It's a little high, yeah.
Yeah. So,
it smells like an egg.
does it?
Yeah.
I can't really smell
so.
it. I'm just going to keep working this.
Yeah.
I might have to get out my metal thing, spatula thing. We'll see.
It is sticking a little bit.
A little bit. But I think it'll come off. I think it sticks, and then when it cooks a little bit, you can kind of scrape it off a little bit, like that.
Yeah.
So, not really like eggs, cooking-wise, but hopefully tasting-wise, although I'm not the biggest fan of egg. I
I'll
never
eat
was.
it. I used to eat a lot of eggs.
Yeah. But this is nice for somebody, I think, if it's good, transitioning into a vegan lifestyle / diet. I think I'm going to need the metal one. Sean's very interested.
Yeah. That looks pretty good.
It looks interesting. I guess we're going to put some cheese on top of it.
Oh, yeah!
Since we thought we had a vegan sausage patty, but we don't. Sean is very excited.
Sean, you know you're not having this, right?
This is that Violife cheese. I'm living that Violife. Gonna let that melt a little bit. Actually, should I just turn it off and let it sit in the pan? Because I mean, I think it's pretty much
think
cooked.
it's cooked all the way?
It's pretty much cooked. So let's let the residual heat of the pan do the final cooking, and we're gonna make some toast. We're gonna do it on some of this beautiful Heidelberg
Sourdough.
Sourdough? Who said it was sourdough? I'm just gonna do one slice and then cut
Yeah.
it in half because you know
It's tiny.
it is tiny. Everyone has been circling like vultures. So here it is on the toast. Looks pretty convincing. You're an egg aficionado. Why don't you try a bite? Oh, you're gonna have to cut it.
What are you doing?
Oh, you're gonna taste it like that first?
Texture's pretty good.
I didn't put any salt or pepper on it.
It seems salty.
Does it?
You did put salt on it.
I put the salt on the
On the
cheese,
cheese, yeah.
but that wasn't with the
Just
cheese.
egg.
Alright, just take a bite.
It was not egg flavored, but not bad.
Oh, that was a huge bite. I'm eating this like as my lunch snack.
They told me that.
Well, how is it?
Not bad. The texture's really good.
Okay,
Okay.
that's a start.
Yeah. I mean, you got fake cheese on there. I'm not crazy about.
Alright, well,
I'm adding some,
it probably would be really good with like a sausage patty.
yeah, but we didn't have it.
No.
Beware the sausage patty because the spices.
Right.
Nightshade.
Oh, great.
I added some just sweet mustard because that used to be my jam.
Whoa, it's like the Just Twins.
I know, right? But I used to do the eggs with honey mustard and feta cheese. So
Okay.
you had the salty sweet.
Pre-vegan.
What are the eggs?
I don't know. I'll look in a second.
But the cheese, sauce, very oily.
Tastes delicious.
Alright. Well, I guess we have a winner then.
I think that's really good.
Yeah, canola oil.
Alright.
So it's very oily.
Enjoy.
I will. I'll just enjoy my oil.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah, I wouldn't eat it every day because it's not like super healthy, but
Right.
for like a treat, yeah, because I did used to enjoy eggs.
Alright. Well, there you have it.
I think it's one of
You ate
the
eggs a
better. What?
You used to eat eggs a lot.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, which is one of
They
the...
were simple.
Right, easy to cook.
Yeah, but I would definitely recommend it if you are an egg person.
Okay. Garfield says, check it out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more videos like this and other recipes. And until next time, much love.